Once your awning is set up, you're going to want to secure it with guy lines. These can be found inside the cabin in the cabinets. They're just in a little tan bag, and they come with 2 guy lines, 1 for each side, as well as 2 stakes. And you'll also have a mallet in there so you can drive the stake into the ground. For the sake of our demo, we're going to use my foot as a stake because we are on concrete. But for starters, you're going to find the silver S-hook. That is going to go in through here and just around that little bar. You will loop the rope around your stake or your foot and then give it a good pull, and using this guy, lock it into place. There you go.